Exactly. So I think when we think about how like the regulated cell form of oxidation, so beta oxidation, for instance, so
Mhm.
how the cell can obtain energy from existing fatty acid and lipid storages. As far as I know, I think the canonical kind of fatty acids that go into that are um, are those that are released from lipid droplets and triglyceride storage, for instance. So these can include like saturated fats, like palmitate, for instance, that can then be transported to the mitochondria and oxidized, and then you can generate energy from that. And it's a good point that you bring up. So I think when we look at oxidation of PUFAs as they happen in the cell, these can often damage cell membranes. They can lead to reactive oxygen species. I think there's interesting links now about how these PUFAs in particular might lead to ferroptosis, for instance.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think at the cellular level, that type of oxidation as well can have profound effects.
Mhm. And so let's start talking about your study now. So we know we've got triple negative breast cancer. It's a big problem because this one's difficult to treat. We know you guys mentioned this is actually becoming more common in younger populations. So that's doubly alarming. We know that there's probably some kind of dietary modulation, like all cancers at some level. We know about the TOR pathway and its connection to anabolic growth. This obviously ties into cancer because cancer is a form of unregulated growth. It's an anabolic thing, I guess. But on the other hand, you guys mentioned there's all of these sort of mysteries still to be explained in terms of where these cancers come from, how they tie into diet, and how all of the different specific components of diet, including fatty acids like these that we've mentioned, tie into the TOR pathway and all of this stuff.